Come up here, Murray. Murray, come this way. There. We're at high tide now, and we did not know that. Usually you can walk down this path. So we're letting the dogs go as far as they want until they say. But you never know, we might get there. Hold on, Murray. He's swimming his feet.
Hank's like, I'm not so sure about this right now. Are you gonna make it? Come on.
Come on. Hold on, Murray. We're trying to get to the dog beach, and it's high tide.
Poor little nuglet. Trying to walk on the ground so bad.